Here we go, I guess. Yeah, I'll get it on the next one.
Hang on a second. I just want to say something. There's a reason for child labor laws.
Dude, like literally they were giving me such a hard time.
How many tickets did that guy pay for, Joe?
Huh?
How many tickets did that guy pay for? One or two?
I don't know.
He paid for two. He paid for two. They made him pay for two.
Hey, don't film me. I didn't sign a waiver. Doing that good last year because I hear that VIP
I remember last time we were here, the line was so fucking long. We did like a walk down the entire line.
We
I
did.
feel like not a lot of people come back.
Either it's hot as fuck or I don't know.
No, we're getting drinks. We're waiting for you.
Hey, I'm down.
What's up here? Right here. There's literally no one online.
Yeah, but I
Hang on a second. Hang on a second. Ladies and gentlemen, behind the scenes of King Speed 51 channel.
behind the scenes.
Behind
What the fuck are you, my director?
behind the scenes.
What the fuck are you, my director?
No, I'm